Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Sue, your East Oakland advocate. Well, as you see right above me, right here, the uh, canopy, this pop-up canopy. It was really a bargain when I bought it. It wasn't even $100 with tax. And when I received it, the other two are also very similar to this. And the taffeta is, which is the material, that's what the material is called, taffeta, is very thin and it doesn't hold up. And the last windstorm caused it to tear. And so I had to get a new roof, and I did. So I'm going to turn this around. And this is what I got. Heavy duty silver and black tarp, Oakland Raiders colors. Uh, and I use that term very loosely. But this is the new roof that I'm going to be putting up this weekend. Uh, it'll be much better. It's slightly larger than the 10 by 10 here, but that's fine. 14 by 14 was pretty close, and actually I like it a little bit long because that'll help it uh, drape down uh, from about right here, about 2 feet down, 18 inches down, all the way around, except for the front. The front, I'm going to just fold it under and tape a lip right to it, and that'll be the for the entrance. But anyway, it'll reinforce everything from the wind and the upcoming rain that's going to happen this coming week. Next week's supposed to be a wet week, and this will help protect the food much better from the moisture and rain that we're going to get. Thanks for joining me. We'll be right back.